Hello everyone. Welcome to this session on research topic. Today we will explore its meaning, definition, nature, objectives and characteristics. Research is the backbone of knowledge creation and understanding it thoroughly help us to approach problems scientifically and effectively. So, if you are a student, scholar, or just curious to know about how research really works, stay tuned till the end. Meaning of research. The word research originated from the French term rechercher, meaning to search again. In essence, research is a careful, systematic, and diligent investigation aimed at discovering new facts or verifying existing knowledge. It is about seeking truth, exploring new ideas, and finding solutions to complex problems. Definition of research. Here I give general definition of research, so I give two definition. You can pick it for yourself. In simple terms, research is a scientific, logical, and systematic process of finding solution or discovering a new information. And I also give another definition is research is a scientific and systematic search for various information about a specific and particular topic. So wherever and whenever you write it in your exams, so you have to write about the definition of the research, so it will help you to gain more marks. Definition that given by authors. So here I listed few definition that given by authors. So first one, Sir Kothari. So according to Sir Kothari, research is a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. So second one, J.W. Best. So for him, research is considered to be more formal, systematic, intensive process of carrying on the scientific methods of analysis. Third one, Redmond and Mori, they said that systematized effort to gain a new knowledge is considered to be as a research. And finally, Clifford Woody. So according to him, research involves defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses, collecting and evaluating data, and reaching conclusion considered to be as a research. So these are few definition that given by various authors. So in our university, our professor told to we have to write it or 10 or more definition. So if we write that much, we have in examination we have only remember 5 to 6. So if you added definition that given by various author, it would also help you to gain a more marks in research paper. Nature of research. The nature of research reflects its fundamental qualities. Research is systematic, following a clear procedure. It requires patience and courage that help to create a good thesis or dissertation. It is directed towards solution to the problem. Here, research tried to solve the given problem. It also helped to gain familiarity towards research topic. Research frame new concepts that help future generation to know about those things for further studies. Finally, research is based upon observation and experiments. It combines creativity with scientific reasoning. Objectives of research. In every research study has a scientific objectives. The primary goals include discovering new facts or validating existing knowledge, understanding the relationship between variables, also finding solutions to practical problems and contributing to existing body of knowledge and improving practices that aid in decision making. Then, objective ensure that research has a clear purpose and direction. I can also give another objectives of research. In this, you can write it in your exam. Characteristics of research. Here, I listed few characteristics of research such as logical and systematic, based on data and evidence, uses accurate methods and tools, objective and unbiased, and testable and verifiable, and last one is adds new knowledge. A good research has distinctive characteristics. It is logical and follows structured reasoning. It relies on data and evidence, uses accurate methods and tools, and remain objective and unbiased additionally. Additionally, it is testable and variable. So, following others to confirm the result, most importantly, it contributed to new knowledge towards society. For making it more meaningful and impactful. Conclusion. To conclude, research is for more than collecting information. It is a systematic, scientific, and logical quest for truth. It helps solve problems and advance knowledge and drive progresses in every field of study. Mastering the principle of research enable us to make informed decision and contribute meaningful to our society.